Witness the awe-inspiring power of Niagara Falls, a natural wonder that has captured imaginations for centuries. Join us as we uncover the secrets, stories, and breathtaking beauty of this iconic landmark. Over 12,000 years ago, the retreating glaciers of the last ice age carved out the Great Lakes and the Niagara River, creating the majestic Niagara Falls. Today, it stands as a testament to nature's raw power. Long before European explorers arrived, the indigenous peoples revered Niagara Falls as a sacred site. For them, the falls were the handiwork of the Great Spirit. French explorer Samuel de Champlain is believed to have first documented Niagara Falls in 1604. Question: how many gallons of water flow over Niagara Falls every second? Answer: 3,160 tons of water flow over Niagara Falls every second. This accounts for 75,750 gallons of water per second over the American and Bridal Veil Falls and 681,750 gallons per second over the Horseshoe Falls. The 19th century saw Niagara Falls become a hub for industry and tourism. In 1895, the world's first hydroelectric power plant was built here, harnessing the power of the falls. In 1901, Annie Edson Taylor became the first person to go over Niagara Falls in a barrel and survive. From the 1800s onward, Niagara Falls transformed into a premier tourist destination. Millions come each year to witness its grandeur and partake in its attractions. Question: what year did the famous Maid of the Mist boat tours begin? Answer: 1846. A trip to Niagara Falls isn't complete without a ride on the Maid of the Mist. These iconic boat tours take you right up to the base of the falls for an unforgettable experience. Here's a fact for you: the original Maid of the Mist was a steamboat launched in 1846 to ferry passengers across the Niagara River. Beyond the falls, the surrounding area is packed with activities and accommodations. From luxurious hotels to charming BBS, there's something for everyone. For breathtaking views, consider staying at the Marriott Falls View or the Sheraton on the Falls. Book your Maid of the Mist tickets in advance to avoid long lines, especially during peak seasons. Explore nearby attractions like the Niagara Park's Botanical Gardens, Butterfly Conservatory, and the historic town of Niagara on the Lake. Preserving the natural beauty of Niagara Falls is crucial. Over the years, numerous conservation efforts have been implemented to protect this iconic site. In 1969, the American Falls were turned off for several months to study erosion and determine preservation methods. Niagara Falls has long been a premier destination for honeymooners, earning its nickname as the honeymoon capital of the world. But what makes this majestic location so irresistible for newlyweds? Niagara Falls became a sought-after destination for honeymooners, a tradition that began with the visit of Theodosia Burr Alston, the daughter of U.S. Vice President Aaron Burr, in 1801. This set a trend that quickly caught on, and by the mid-1800s, Niagara Falls was the go-to destination for couples. Over the years, Niagara Falls has hosted countless honeymooners, from celebrities to everyday couples, each adding to the rich tapestry of its romantic legacy. This historical significance adds a sense of tradition and timelessness to the experience. Niagara Falls offers a range of luxurious accommodations designed to cater to honeymooners. From elegant hotels with breathtaking views of the falls to cozy bed and breakfasts, couples can find the perfect retreat to celebrate their love. Couples can enjoy a variety of romantic activities, such as taking a moonlit stroll along the falls, indulging in fine dining, or experiencing the iconic Maid of the Mist boat tour together. These shared experiences create lasting memories and deepen the bond between newlyweds. Located on the border between the United States and Canada, Niagara Falls is easily accessible for travelers from both countries and beyond. This convenience makes it an ideal and hassle-free destination for honeymooners. With its romantic allure, historical significance, luxurious accommodations, memorable activities, and easy accessibility, Niagara Falls continues to be a cherished destination for honeymooners from around the world. It's a place where love stories are written and dreams come true. Niagara Falls is more than just a natural wonder, it's a symbol of nature's power and beauty, a place steeped in history and culture. Whether you're drawn by its past, its power, or its unparalleled beauty, Niagara Falls continues to inspire awe in all who visit. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our journey through the history and beauty of Niagara Falls. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations of fascinating destinations. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts and favorite Niagara Falls memories in the comments below. See you in the next adventure.